Hi there, I'm G and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. Today we are making a Japanese fruit sandwich. This jewel-toned Japanese fruit sandwich is a beautiful dessert or snack for any occasion. It is best paired with seasonal fruit to showcase its sweetness. However, whatever fruit you use, it will turn out beautiful. But before we begin, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on that notification bell for more recipes from us. To get started, rinse and dry all of the fruit. Slice both ends off of the kiwi and peel off of the skin. Then make small divots around the kiwi, creating a flower shape. Repeat with the remaining kiwis. Then using a paring knife, remove the core of each strawberry. Now peel the mandarin and remove all of the stringy pith. Any type of juicy firm fruit can be used here. Fruits such as mangoes and grapes are also popular in addition to this fruit sandwich. Next, in a small microwave-safe bowl, add the cold water and sprinkle the gelatin over the water. Then microwave the gelatin until it dissolves and becomes liquid, but not hot. This should take about 8 seconds. If it is not completely melted, microwave in 3-second intervals until it is completely dissolved. Then stir in 1 tablespoon of heavy whipping cream and set aside. Next, in a mixing bowl, add the remaining heavy whipping cream, confectioner sugar, and vanilla extract. Beat the mixture with an electric mixer until soft peaks form. When beating continuously, pour in the gelatin mixture in a thin stream. Continue to beat the cream until stiff peaks form. Be sure not to over-whip. The whipped cream should be very smooth and not grainy. Stabilizing the whipped cream not only makes the whipped cream sturdier, but it makes it easier to fill the fruit sandwich. Now let's assemble the Japanese fruit sandwich. Place 1 slice of Japanese milk bread on a large piece of plastic wrap. Place a thin layer of whipped cream before placing the fruit. It is important to remember where the sandwich will be sliced for the prettiest presentation. For the strawberry Japanese fruit sandwich, place 3 to 4 strawberries diagonally. Fill the remaining spaces with 1 or 2 strawberries. For the Mandarin Japanese fruit sandwich, divide the orange in half. Place the orange halves along the diagonal with the center lining up with the diagonal line. Fill the remaining spaces with the remaining oranges. For the mixed fruit sandwich, line up a strawberry, a 3-segment orange, a kiwi, a 3-segment orange, and a strawberry along the diagonal line. Fill the remaining spaces with the leftover fruit. Repeat this once more to create a second mixed fruit sandwich. After the fruit is lined up, cover and fill the spaces around the fruit with a generous spread of whipped cream. Top with a second slice of Japanese milk bread and spread the whipped cream around the edges of the sandwich to fully cover the fruit. Wrap the milk bread tightly with plastic wrap. Use a piece of tape or a marker to mark the plastic wrap where the diagonal line should be cut. Refrigerate these sandwiches for at least 2 hours or overnight for the fruit and cream to settle. Then remove the sandwiches from the refrigerator and peel the plastic wrap. Now with a clean knife, diagonally slice the sandwich as marked. Wipe the knife clean and slice off the crusts, wiping the knife clean after each cut. Reveal the beautiful fruit pattern on each sandwich and garnish with mint leaves if desired. Then serve immediately and enjoy. If you want the full recipe, then check out the description box below, or head to cozymeal.com/recipes, where you will certainly find this recipe and so much more. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe for more recipes from Cozymeal Studios. And I don't know about you, but I'm so excited to see what is coming up next. See you again soon.